Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Java Runtime is incompatible. If you want to fix this problem, just click here and then type Windows Update. Now just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then just restart your PC if you need to install the updates. And after that, go back here and type here run. Once you're here, type %app.% and click OK, and then you will find Minecraft folder here. All you have to do, you need to delete this folder, and if you don't want to lose your data, just copy those two folders, save and resource box. Just move it to your desktop and then delete this folder. And after that, don't close this folder, and then run Minecraft launcher. Now just log into your account, and then once you're here, open this file again and you will find this folder here, Minecraft. Now just replace those two folders again to Minecraft folder, and that's it. Now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.